Hey everyone, E-Man here with RemoraLite.com. In this video, we're going to look at the quick print summary form, which is Ctrl, Shift, and S. The keyboard shortcut for that can be found on the Auto Update tab and your keyboard shortcuts reference. So down here at the bottom, we see Ctrl, Shift, and S. So let's go ahead and click that together. This brings up a form, which is quite helpful. So what we can do is we can put in, for example, the SPY. And I'm going to put in the last 20 trading days, and I'm looking for shares over 1 million. I'm going to choose Run. Now the first tab here that says Prints shows us the prints in the last 20 trading days that meet our criteria, which is a summary of 1 million. So anything over 1 million cumulative, it will add together in the list. If we click by date here, we can see that they're filtered newest to oldest, and we can see that the price 412.35 was 2 trades totaling 1 million. So cumulative prints at a specific price that equal our criteria or greater are included here. So we can see that 405.34 also on May 27th, that was 3 million over 11 trades. So that's quite helpful. We can also see that the SPY's current price is 416.70 and it's up almost $10 on the day. We can click by price, and then we can also see here that there were big levels. 412.07 was 15 million from May 2nd. And then May 5th, 428.88 is the next large print above us, since we've already closed above this one, 416.41. This potentially could be the next target if we're going there. The greatest feature about this form is the pivots and cams. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to untick include prints for 1 second, and I'm going to rerun this. What it actually shows us is the person's pivots and the Camarilla pivot boss calculations for the current trading day. Because it's the weekend, it's showing me my support and resistance lines for the next trading day. So on Monday, the pivot is going to be 412.78, R1 is going to be 417.86, R2 is 420, and R3 is 428.14. The pivots and cams are sorted by price, highest to lowest, and the R's and the S's are the John Persons pivots. The H's and the L's are the Camarilla pivot boss. Now these are very, very important levels. If you're a non-believer, put them on your chart and see. We do have this option here of including prints. So I'm going to tick this, and for the SPY, since it trades quite widely, I'm going to choose a different pocket size. I'm going to go to 75 cents, and I'm going to choose Run. What this actually does here for us is it helps us map out our day trades. Because we have the pivots and the cams, and then all of the prints from this tab here are all included, sorted highest to lowest. So now, how this works is if we're trading at 416.70, which is up here, tomorrow that's going to be a cam. That's actually going to be the second cam, 416.67, and we're slightly above that. If we were looking for a pocket size of 75 cents to scalp during the day, where would be the best entry for that? If we're trading at 416.70, if we broke our 1 at 417.86, or say 418 would be the next major dollar level, I might have a dollar something move to the next cam at 419.48. If we break through that cam, I have a 98 cent move to 420. And above 420.46, I have a $2.62 move to 423.08. And if we break this cam, we could go $5 all the way to R3. If we were looking at this from a bearish perspective, we would look for a trade below 416.70, and the best trade would be from 415.96 down minus $1.40 is 414.56. You can adjust your pocket sizes. Say I was looking for a 50-cent scalp. Then you see that the data changes. If I was a little more conservative and wanted $1, that limits my results. But you could still plan out your trade accordingly. I can choose copy, which gives you the list of everything there. It says highlight text and hit Ctrl-C to copy. Now what I can do is I can open something like Word, and paste the results in there. And I can print that out and write on my sheet for my day trade. The other great thing in mapping out swing trades is if I chose, instead of the pivot calculation for today, I choose next day, then what it would do is it would give me an estimation of the pivots, how they would look tomorrow. Pivots are calculated by the high, the low, and the close of the current trading session. If we choose next day, it's the high, the low, and the current price. So I would recommend that close to the end of the trading day, if you wanted to see where your pivots and cams are going to be for the next trading day, you do it closer to the market close. I'll choose Run here, and we'll see where we have dollar pockets. If you were taking a swing for a potential gap on a stock, say you were trading options and you were looking for a 50-cent move after the close, where would you expect that it might hit? So if we closed at 416.70, that's above this 5.6 million print, and the first cam would be 417.40. So maybe my target might be R1, 418.82, looking for a gap up. This feature saves you so much time in mapping out your trades. The only other thing you would have to consider are other support and resistance lines on your charts, moving averages, and any of your other indicators. In the next video, we'll look at the Thinkorswim watch list overview. We'll see you over there.